Martha ain't hard, she got a rap. She a bad marketing bitch, know how to trap. What? Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt.
Yo, it's Razzlekhan, and we are gonna berazzle this dope elliptical. Well, it's not that dope yet, but it's going to be. So I got this Schwinn Elliptical that I have in my bedroom right now to keep me fit during quarantine, and it's a really great workout. I've been using it almost every day, and that is how I got so fit. What? But I don't love the way it looks, so we're gonna be berazzling it to make it way doper. I'm planning on having kind of like a zebra motif with silver and a cheetah motif with gold up in here. They're both very fast animals, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to have like a predator-prey sort of thing going on. And some other dope spikes like my BERAZZLED Magritte painting. So check it out and watch me berazzle this Schwinn Elliptical to make it way cooler, just like my running shoes. One sec. So these are my berazzled running shoes, and they also weren't that cool before. They were like Under Armour, I think. Yeah. And now they glow in the dark. So we're gonna do something similar with this, but a little, I don't want to say more minimalistic, but more controlled, I guess. Are you ready? Razzle dazzle. So for this berazzling, we're gonna start out by using silver to create the zebra motif, but I'm gonna wear gloves because I get stuff all over me. And I'm gonna take a moment to look at a picture of a zebra on my phone to make sure I get it accurate. Whenever I don't do this, I end up with gold and silver and whatever colors all over me, so I want to avoid that. I have a few different pens actually of silver, so I have a Sharpie one that is just like an oil-based paint one, and then I have this giant 4 artist marker, but I honestly really like this deco color liquid silver. It just goes on really smooth and more controlled. So I think for some of this in here, I'm actually going to use this. And it's important to shake these up first. I'm just going to look at that zebra photo again so I don't forget. And it's not going to be exactly the same as this zebra, but it will look pretty cool. Starting to wish I was using the big marker right now though, because it would be faster. So let's try switching. Cap. Let's see. And you know, real zebras also, their stripes are not always identical colors. Like my zebra is kind of a black gray.
She got a rap. She a bad marketing bitch, know how to trap. What? Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke, showing off her inverse.
So I'm intentionally making some of it uneven because that's just like how real zebras are.
Beard, icky, ooch, dirt. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Beard, icky, ooch, dirt. Synergizing bad bitch. Dance like she got it.
Looking pretty good, I think, actually. I regularly end up like with my hands and nails just covered in paint later. Guess artist problems.
Got a twitch that ain't the Harlem Shake. Shimmy, shimmy, earthquake. Real bitch, nothing fake. Just baklava, fuck cake. Gotta go, masturbate. Home alone, kinda date. Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke. Showing off her.
Probably no one but me will ever see this corner, but hey, let's do it right.
Beard, icky, ooch, dirt. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart.
Almost done with this top part.
Icky, ooch, dirt. Smokes hashish with Snoop. Mix the best lentil soup. Whipping up tabbouleh like hella majnouni.
Looking good. I need to look at a picture of a cheetah really fast. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see.
Everyone wants a taste. Got too close, broke his face. She'll tell you choke gazelle and send you straight.
Some of that, I guess, is cool, but that was not what I intended. Okay, that is why we wear 2 gloves. You know, I don't want to hog too many gloves from hospitals or whatever, so. Okay. Let's see.
Village bitch, not snobby. Shamin, so flabby. Allergic, not snotty. Got that Middle Eastern body. Turkish Martha Stewart. Keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert. Garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk. Con basics with a Burke. Showing off her.
It looks great. Not too shabby. I guess I should do a little more.
At dark she come a lurk. Like beer. Icky ooch dirt. Beer. Icky ooch dirt.
Actually, one thing I didn't realize I could do that I'm gonna do, I think this can peel right off maybe. It does! So we're gonna put like a Razzlekhan sticker there. I'm just gonna leave it. This is fugly. No more. Damn.
Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Beer Icky ooch dirt.
Okay, let's have a look. You know what? For now, we're gonna stop there, and I'll decide if I want to do the rest, because that was tiring, and I need a break. Okay, so we're just gonna berazzle this sticker right here. Okay, and we have the metallic tulip, the glow in the dark one, and we have also this tulip flash. Okay.
Walking biatch, disappear, bon voyage, pirate, camouflage, got a fur collage, dead animals.
I am actually ambidextrous, so I can do this.
About arbitrage, work relentless non-stop, play hard filthy on top, smoke poppy, not a cop, Asian clean with a mop, better shot than Cheney, always play the lady, she'll chop you like Chapo, gonna get that guap, yo.
Okay, it's looking pretty cool, but it's gonna get cooler.
With dessert, garn poppy from that dirt, rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke, showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come a lurk, like beer, icky ooch dirt, beer, icky ooch dirt, Turkish Martha Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart, beer, icky ooch dirt, we the hillbilly better win tribe, you better got bakshish to pay that bribe, we the
Razzle dazzle, I'm about to put these stickers on here to make it an official Razzlekhan elliptical. So, let's see. First one, going right on here, perfectly in the middle. I'm used to slapping these a lot faster and less precisely, but it looks pretty good. And then the second one is going up here, and I was thinking about like cutting it so it wasn't all sticky, but I think it'll be okay. Okay. And I'm just pushing down on all the sides to make sure it's on. And razzle dazzle, we're almost done. Just a few more dope parts. Hey, it's Razzlekhan, and we are about to finish berazzling my elliptical. We just need a final touch, and that's gonna be these spikes that I got from Amazon. So I have a few different colors, but we're gonna add these spikes, and we're gonna add them with this E6000 glue. It's the same one that I used to berazzle a picture frame in another video. But it's a little bit, I don't know if I should say toxic, but like you shouldn't breathe the fumes. So we're gonna use this. And I'm gonna use gloves because I don't wanna have glue all over me. Okay. Super good at wearing masks now. But, so you just want a little glue, as I've learned, to start. We got enough for the first few.
Turkish Martha skirt, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come alert. Like beer, inky ooch dirt, beer, inky ooch dirt. Turkish Martha Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart.
We're going to be adding layers of paint as if it were Turkish evil eyes, aka Nazar. Using a technique I came up with when I was a teenager and doing a lot of ceramics and sculpting and obviously painting that. So we're gonna just apply that, and I'm gonna wear gloves because I always somehow get paint all over me. And by the way, if you didn't see my outfit, I actually designed this. The shirt shrunk a little in the wash. That's why it's a little too high. But I'm wearing something under. And then these are pants that I berazzled. So anyways, just so you know, this is a berazzled Razzlekhan designer outfit. Okay. So I'm gonna do different colors in different places, but for starters, we're just gonna start in here. And I'm gonna start with purple.
We the hillbilly better win tribe. You better got bakshish to pay that bribe. We the hillbilly better win tribe. You better got bakshish to pay that bribe.
Happy berazzling. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay with me for another berazzling. Be sure to ring the bell, follow Razzlekhan on YouTube and wherever you watch your content. I'll be sure to do more dope DIY berazzling and art and other fun, entertaining, useful information. So, razzle dazzle.